Tablets these days go two ways: ultra premium workhorses or bare bones budget slabs. The new Redmi Pad 2 4G sits right in the sweet spot: premium build, punchy screen, solid battery, all without the flagship price tag. I'm Fluffy, and today we're doing a full review to see if it truly delivers on the promise of balance. Let's jump right in. Inside the box, you get the Redmi Pad 2 4G, an 80-watt USB-C charger, a matching cable, SIM eject tool, and paperwork. No stylus by default, but you can pick one up separately. Solid essentials, no fluff. See the link above for a full link of the unboxing. Right away, you feel the metal unibody sturdy, slim at 7.36mm, and surprisingly light at 510 grams. The matte finish resists fingerprints, flat edges, rounded corners, and that muted sheen gives it a modern, minimalist look. Buttons are well placed. Volume rocker on top in landscape, USB-C, and headphone jack along the bottom, and quad speakers flanking both sides. It nails portability without compromising build quality. The 11-inch IPS LCD with 2.5K resolution and 90Hz refresh rate is sharp and smooth. Text is crisp for reading, and videos pop with vibrant colors. In outdoor mode, it hits 600 nits, so content stays viewable in bright light. It also supports Widevine L1 for HD Netflix and 4K at 144p on YouTube. Audio, quad speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver impressive loudness and stereo separation, bass included. Dialogue is clean, and it's more than adequate for movies or casual gaming. On paper, cameras aren't the star. You get an 8MP rear and 5MP front shooter, useful for document scanning or quick snaps in daylight. Indoors, noise creeps in and detail drops. The front cam sits center in landscape, great for video calls but grainy in low light. No fancy extras or portrait modes. It's purely functional for zoom and class. Under the hood is a MediaTek Helio G100 Ultra, up to 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, expandable via microSD up to 2TB. HyperOS 2, based on Android 15, feels light and responsive. Everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, messaging run smoothly. MLBB at max settings is buttery with no stutters. Honkai Star Rail plays well on low. Ultimate moves introduce slight lag. Heavier titles like Crystal of Atlan demand lowest settings. Frame dips are noticeable. So yes, it's a casual gaming tablet first, not a hardcore mobile gaming rig. HyperOS 2 is optimized for large screens cleaner than old MIUI. Animations are smooth, split-screen multitasking works well, and Google Play access is full. Minor bloatware is present but removable. Stylus support exists, but it doesn't magnetically attach and requires USB-C charging, far from the seamless premium tablets offer. Still, it's a welcome tool for notes and sketches. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.3 stable for streaming and calls. Battery is a standout. 9,000 mAh lasts up to 2 days of mixed use. In PCMark battery test, it scored 21 hours 20 minutes best in class. Charging with 80 watts wired charger fills it in about 2.5 hours. Not the fastest, but with this endurance, you can easily charge every other night. So here's the bottom line. The Redmi Pad 24G strikes a solid balanced premium metal build, 2.5K 90Hz screen, robust battery, and smooth everyday performance, all at an approachable price. Cameras are basic, the stylus is optional and clunky, and heavy gaming is limited. We're giving it a silver rating. It's not perfect, but it punches above its weight where it counts. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense tech breakdowns, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. I'm Fluffy for techbeatph.com, driven by tech, powered by people. Catch you in the next one.